As we age, our bodies change, and activities that once seemed effortless, like walking, may become more challenging. For those in their 70s or 80s, this shift doesn't have to mean a decline in activity or vitality. On the contrary, there are numerous alternatives to walking that can help maintain strength, balance, and overall health while bringing joy and independence to your daily life. Let's explore 9 transformative activities that can empower you to stay active, even if walking has become more difficult. 1. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is a cornerstone of good health, especially as we age. Unfortunately, many seniors struggle with getting enough rest, mistaking natural changes in sleep patterns for insomnia or accepting poor sleep as a normal part of aging. This misconception can lead to a vicious cycle where reduced physical activity and poor sleep feed into each other. During deep sleep, your body repairs muscle tissue, strengthens the immune system, and consolidates memory, processes that are crucial for maintaining vitality. Without adequate sleep, balance deteriorates, energy levels plummet, and the risk of falls increases. Tips for better sleep. Create a cool, dark, and quiet sleeping environment. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine, such as light stretches, reading, or listening to soothing music. Avoid screens an hour before bed to reduce blue light exposure, which can disrupt sleep hormones. By prioritizing sleep, you give your body the recovery it needs to tackle each day with energy and confidence. 2. Embrace gentle yoga. Yoga is not about twisting into complicated poses. It's about controlled, gentle movements that strengthen your body and calm your mind. Seniors who practice yoga often find improvements in balance, flexibility, and strength, all critical for maintaining independence. Chair yoga and modified poses make this practice accessible to anyone, regardless of mobility level. Each pose helps maintain muscle tone and joint health while improving circulation and reducing stress. Getting started. Begin with 5-10 minutes a day, focusing on seated poses or stretches. Use props like yoga blocks and straps to adapt movements to your comfort level. Practice regularly for the best results, rather than attempting long sessions sporadically. Yoga isn't about achieving perfection but moving in ways that nurture your body and enhance your well-being. 3. Discover the art of Tai Chi. Often described as meditation in motion, Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese practice that focuses on slow, deliberate movements. For seniors, it's a powerful way to improve balance, coordination, and core strength without putting stress on joints. Regular Tai Chi practice has been shown to reduce the risk of falls by up to 45% and improve sleep, cardiovascular health, and mental clarity. The flowing movements create a sense of calm while strengthening the body and enhancing spatial awareness. How to begin? Join a local Tai Chi class or follow beginner videos online. Practice simple movements seated if standing feels difficult. Aim for 15-20 minutes daily or a few times a week to reap the benefits. 4. Lightweight strength training. Strength training doesn't have to involve heavy weights. Simple exercises using resistance bands, soup cans, or even your body weight can help maintain muscle mass and support joint health. As we age, muscle naturally diminishes, making strength training an essential part of staying active. Even short sessions can boost your overall strength and confidence. Practical tips. Start with simple movements like wall push-ups, seated leg lifts, or gentle arm raises. Gradually add light weights or resistance bands as you become more comfortable. Focus on consistency, aiming for 2 to 3 sessions per week. 5. Practice mindful meditation. Meditation may not seem like an alternative to physical activity, but it plays a crucial role in overall well-being. Mindfulness practices enhance body awareness, emotional regulation, and focus, key elements for maintaining balance and confidence in movement. Studies show that meditation reduces anxiety, improves cognitive function, and promotes better sleep. It's a mental exercise that complements physical activities, keeping your mind sharp and your body connected. Easy meditation techniques. Start with 3-5 minutes of deep breathing while seated comfortably. Focus on the sensation of your breath or practice guided meditations. Gradually extend your practice as it becomes part of your routine. 6. Explore chair exercises. For those with mobility challenges, chair exercises offer a safe and effective way to stay active. Simple seated movements can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, and enhance flexibility. Chair exercises range from seated marches to arm circles and resistance band workouts. They're adaptable, making them ideal for seniors of all abilities. Starting suggestions: dedicate 10-15 minutes a day to chair-based activities. Combine exercises like leg lifts, seated twists, and arm movements for a full body workout. Gradually increase intensity and duration as you gain strength. 7. Rediscover gardening. Gardening is a wonderful way to stay active while connecting with nature. The varied movements, reaching, bending, and lifting, engage different muscle groups and improve flexibility and dexterity. Adaptations for gardening: create a raised garden bed or use pots to reduce bending. Focus on lightweight tasks like planting seeds or watering. Consider a micro garden setup with herbs or vegetables indoors. Gardening also offers mental benefits, reducing stress and fostering a sense of accomplishment. 8. Take to the water with swimming. Water-based exercises are excellent for seniors because they reduce joint stress while providing full body resistance. Whether it's swimming, water aerobics, or simply walking in the pool, aquatic activities improve cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and flexibility. The buoyancy of water allows for greater freedom of movement, making it easier to perform exercises that might be challenging on land. How to start: begin with water walking or simple leg and arm movements in chest-deep water. Join a water aerobics class for a guided, social experience. Gradually increase the duration and complexity of your routine. 9. Focus on balanced nutrition. Good nutrition becomes even more crucial as physical activity decreases. A balanced diet supports muscle strength, bone density, and overall energy levels. Certain foods can also reduce inflammation, improving joint comfort and mobility. Nutrition tips for seniors: include plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins and antioxidants. Prioritize protein sources like lean meats, eggs, and legumes to maintain muscle mass. Incorporate calcium and vitamin D-rich foods to support bone health. Proper nutrition amplifies the benefits of all other activities, ensuring your body has the fuel it needs to thrive. Final thoughts: slowing down doesn't mean giving up on an active lifestyle. By embracing these 9 alternatives to walking, you can stay strong, balanced, and vibrant in your 70s and 80s. Whether it's practicing yoga, tending to a garden, or focusing on better sleep, every small effort contributes to maintaining your independence and enhancing your quality of life. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly but finding activities that suit your abilities and bring you joy. With consistent effort and a positive mindset, you can continue to lead an active, fulfilling life well into your golden years.